video we're gonna be trying to do the Ender Dragon. Well, I did a video ago. Went wrong. Well, when I broke this. It literally exploded. Because I forgot something that is really important. Where is it? Yeah, Totem of Undying. I forgot about it. Oh my god, guys. Oh, wait, can we can use arrows to do it. Okay? So let's skip one outside so I can be safe. Okay, let's start the video. I oh the video already started, so why did I even say that? Also, we are on hard mode, so mobs are really hostile. Like sugar on my tongue. Don't look at me, huh? Like sugar on my tongue. Oh my god, guys, I forgot to put. Stop! Who's doing that? Oh my god, this Ender Dragon. Ow! No, don't please. I need to complete this mission. Bro. Yes! Whoa! Why didn't my totem of undying work? Bro, is this game broken or something? Oh, we're on hard mode. This Minecraft is the latest version, so I'm not really used to this game. Oh, so we need to go back without dying, and also we did destroy the wood. Hey, let's get our items back and try to beat it. Well, we have 3 lives and now 2 lives is left because you saw what happened. You saw what happened. The dragon attacked me. Yeah. The hell? Like sugar in my tongue. Where's my items? Give me my items back, Ender Dragon. Where is it? Hey! Oh my god. So we're down to 2 life. 2 life. Let's get back to creative and let's get our stuff back. So it can be fair. I I always keep dying. We need to shut down. We shut down all the things that is stealing the danger. These pearls. We gotta stop them because it needs to be fair because I'm down on 1 life. And if it's done, yeah. Like sugar on my tongue. Dun, dun. Yeah, we got this one because of the arrow. I'm good at aiming, just joking. That is where I died. I really hate this Did someone ender pearl? the Ender Pearls. Like sugar on my tongue. Her body is so sweet. Invite me if you come. Hey, get out. Before we go, let's make a thing so we don't get hurt. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're on hard mode, so I keep dying. Yeah. Now let's eat some golden. Now we're gonna kill that because I'm mad at you. Bro, where is your weakness? Bro. Nah, bro. Bro went be shit. Nah, get away from me. No, please don't. Nah. You know what? I'ma kill your fellow. Hey, get away from me. Get away from me, please. No! Well, we were down at 1 heart, but the Enderman slayed me instead of the dragon. So, I'm gonna be ending the video here. So, bye guys. I'll see you. I'm still on survival. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video and I'm gonna kill this. Because I pick the hard mode. Also, I was wearing diamond, not like that ancient thing. Oh my god, I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm gonna end the video here. So, bye bye!